Boy, and we're one of them.
We sure are. High wildfire danger already, burn bans across almost all of our area counties, and we're not seeing any improvement anytime soon. We do have some rain chances in the 7-day forecast, but I'm not sure it's going to be the kind of soaking rain it would take to end this wildfire threat. We are keeping an eye to the sky now for severe weather that we're into spring. And another Skywarn presentation is going on tonight in the area. We invite you folks out in Gillespie County to head over to Harper, Texas. They're west of Fredericksburg, 6:30 to 8:30 tonight. A great 2-hour presentation on what to look for when severe storms threaten your area. It's at the St. James Lutheran Church. But if you can't make it to Skywarn tonight, we are going to bring Skywarn to your living room this Saturday night. It's a new and unique part of our severe weather special, 6:30 p.m. right here, also streaming live on KXAN.com. We're excited about it this year. All right, 83 out there right now, mostly cloudy. At 8 o'clock, 77. At 10 o'clock, 73. A very warm but pleasantly warm night. Low and mid-80s in our eastern counties, upper 70s to low to mid-80s in the western area. Excuse me, 77 degrees in Fredericksburg. You're going to see why this is happening in about 1 minute. Mostly cloudy and 83 degrees at Camp Mabry. Mostly cloudy and 84 degrees at ABIA. A wind southeasterly at 13, 14 miles per hour. That front that moved through yesterday is a cold front. Lifted right back north as a warm front today, so we have southeast winds, and we're right back up into the 80s. But boy, was it nice this morning. Okay, here's my problem. Maybe it's yours too. Mold, medium, oak, a double today count from yesterday. In fact, today is the worst pollen count of the spring so far. Hackberry high, mulberry high, sycamore high, willow high, birch medium. And tomorrow, mold medium, oak still very high, and other trees high in your allergy forecast. Around the state, 80s from North Texas all the way down to the valley. Some 70s, a few 60s up there in the panhandle. That warm front, again, has now lifted north of our area. We're keeping an eye on a series of storm systems now that the computer models are going to say will track far enough to the south that we'll actually see some fronts get through here that'll provide us with some cooler weather. We've been way above normal, as you know, since the first week of March. But next week, maybe some cooler weather, and maybe even a couple of those bringing us a little bit of rainfall. We'll take anything at this point. Between now and then, though, a late night and early morning low cloudiness, patchy drizzle and fog in the morning, then some afternoon sunshine, and then we'll see this same pattern repeat again on Saturday. The first cold front will try to sneak in here on Sunday. It's not going to be a big deal, but it'll bring us at least a slight chance for a rain shower, maybe even a thunderstorm. Okay, here are the low temperatures tonight. Not as cool as this morning. We saw a couple of 38s this morning out in the coldest pockets of the hill country, 40s in other locations. We didn't drop below the 50s and 60s here in the metro area, and certainly not below the low to mid 60s in the morning. But tomorrow afternoon, high temperatures hopefully topping out just in the low 80s. Tonight, low clouds coming in late, 63 the low. Tomorrow, we'll start the day cloudy with some light fog in the morning, and then that will lift in the afternoon. Will be partly sunny, and we'll see a high of about 83. Here's a 7-day forecast. Repeating pattern on Saturday. Actually, could get quite a bit warmer Saturday, back into the upper 80s with a little punch of dry air trying to come in here in the afternoon. Then the front comes in on Sunday, drops us about 8 degrees. Then we're hopeful we could spend some of next week in the 70s. And look at there, a possibility that we could see some rain and temperatures in the 60s on Thursday.